We just got notice of someone attacking the champion. We have no clue what this is. There's a whole bunch of cameramen here. He said nobody's gonna put him through the cage. Oh, damn. Oh, this is brutal. He's attacking the champion for no reason. Oh, this is brutal. And there ain't no one here to stop him. DDT, oh my god, this is brutal. No! Brutally beating him with a baseball bat. What's he doing? He's going high risk. Out here in the streets, he's gonna do high risk.
What?
Marsh will be here in a minute.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Read it.
Alright.
Well, we just had an interruption. Alright, it's back up. And here we go. No, frog splash. Oh, we just lost the reception. Oh man, I didn't even record any of that. I pushed the button and didn't record.